Hello everyone, welcome to Arduino Demo Code tutorial for beginners. This is lesson 6. We will introduce how to activate the relay control through the I2C bus. You can subscribe my channel if you like it. Okay, let's begin. In the following video, when we use the ESP32 module, we need to use 5 GPIO ports to control 5 LEDs. If we want to control more devices and the I/O ports are not enough, what should we do? We can utilize the PCF8574 chip. It's an 8-bit I/O expander. By using this chip, we can active with 2 pins expand to 8 pins. In the design of A6, we use these 2 I/O pins to expand 8 pins to control the relays. In this video, we will introduce how to program the Arduino code to realize the I2C communication. Okay, let's begin write the code. This code is A6 output control relays by I2C BUS. Step 1. Add the libraries. Next, we need to define the SDA pin and SCL pins. Because A6 we connect SDA to GPIO 4 and SCL we connect to GPIO 15. So we can define these 2 pins. Next, we need to create an instance. 24 is the address, and SDA is GPIO 4, SCL is GPIO 15. Okay, next, we will write the setup code. First, we can set the serial port baud rate to 9600. Next, we need to set the PCF8574 chip, the IOs to output mode. And we have 6 relays, so we can copy. And finally, we should initialize the PCF8574. We start it. Okay, now we can write the loop function. In loop function, we will let the relays always on and off. In A6 board, low is turn on the relay and high is turn off the relay. So we can write the code like this. First, we let all the relays on, and then we let all the relays off. Okay, we can copy this code. This is turn on the relays. Now we turn off the relays. Okay, this is the whole code. First, we let all the relays on, and then we let all the relays off. Now we can download the code and see the functions. Okay, it's downloading. Now we can see the relay is turn on and turn off. Okay, this is the whole program to control the relay through the I2C bus. We will put the source code in the comment section. Thanks for watching.